Welcome to the Final Four, boys.
Woo!
All right, looking at this, there's really only one that I didn't foresee in this, and that's the Kentucky Owl. I
Set the stage. What are our...
So we've got Knob Creek 12 going up against Makers, and that was what I think at least you and I, as the higher proof fans, were hoping for.
Indeed.
That or the Belle Meade.
Yeah. We kind of were hoping that the winner of that Maker's Mark Belle Meade first round game was going to be the one to come out of this deal, and it did.
You're halfway there.
It has arrived.
So we've got a doozy of a matchup here, and we have the old Rip 10 versus the Kentucky Owl on the other side of the bracket.
I see that one as a little bit more of a blue chip matchup. You know,
That's
your,
for sure.
That's your, Kentucky Duke. All the records are on that side of the bracket. So this one will be fun though.
This, I'll tell you what, depending on how these fall out, the proofs could really even out. Because I was kind of worried initially when we set this up. Well, what if a 100 proofer came out against the Kentucky Owl or the George T. Stag? And you're going to have a massive proof swing.
Yeah.
But in this, if the Makers wins this, and say the old Rip 10 wins this, we're talking about 107 versus 110.
Yeah.
And that is essentially the same.
Yeah.
And in this one, you've got kind of the Knob Creek's got the oak sharpness versus the proof. I mean, you're kind of playing in the same wheelhouse.
Yeah.
Profile-wise.
Yeah. We don't have a
fun.
crappy Pac-12 school going to accidentally squeak through into the big leagues.
Damn you, George Mason.
I know.
All the way to the Final Four. I did pick that, by the way.
Good call.
It was a good call.
Yes.
It'll be lots of money.
Yes.
Well,
Nobody from the IRS is watching.
right.
It's fine.
What's the IRS?
What?
I got all these bottles for $7.
Knob Creek 12 versus Maker's Mark. Here we go.
Left hand.
The Final Four
hand,
kicking off.
Oh, I know. It just
Oh, man. Oh, I know.
it just wraps you up like a hug from old Nana. If Nana smelled like booze.
Which she probably did.
Yours doesn't?
Some old,
Have a nip of this. You'll take a nap.
that old wine they had in a jug back in the day. Yes. A little reuniti. Mm.
That's my church wine.
Yeah. We are keeping it legit in the basement. All right, cut that out. Restart.
Absolutely not.
Yep. Now, this is a toughie. And again, for those of you guys that have been watching, everybody knows Knob Creek hits a little bit different. It's for those of you that are a fan. Big
nice
Oak,
12-year
Big
Oaky
Oak
profile, but you've got the state
Fun
profile.
stage profiles and
I'm gonna take some time on this one.
whoever knows how long, between 7 and 8 years ish, kind of running around in there in that Maker's Mark.
I'm in my head now.
That's hard to pull apart on the nose. How's she taste?
That's like the soup of the day.
Soup du jour.
Split pea?
Yeah.
Sounds good. I'll have
I'll
that.
have that. We are in the Rockies, Lloyd.
See,
That John Denver's full of shit.
One-liners aside, this does present an interesting twist.
That's really
These
good.
these are heavy hitters, as the Final Four should be, though, right?
Yeah.
We paired them together. The results have been organic to this point. This is a really good matchup. A lot of groaning noises, a lot of dad noises.
oh yeah.
We do have the knob in there.
Can't get out of my face.
Mike's back on the knob again.
Guys, this is serious content. Get your shit together. We're going to have to make a separate account for all the B-roll dog shit side footage we can't air.
Wow, that's good.
They're both good.
Have you even had... What's that? Is that your right glass?
I've had some of each.
Yeah.
I've
Okay, I was gonna say.
It's a short sip.
All right.
I'm not choking on the knob like you are, sir.
What's frustrating to me is, in prior rounds, the diversity was apples and oranges. You put these two together.
What are you, the HR department?
Yes.
The old wooden ship?
Yep. Follow me for more tips on how to not succeed in business. When you guys put these two together, they don't, like, the differences are harder to pick apart.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
In previous rounds, Knob Creek, 1792, literally left hand, right hand.
Yeah.
Oak bomb.
Totally
just
different.
Killed it.
This is a little bit tougher.
This is. Hence, I haven't like shotgunned one or the other.
Way ahead of you there, mate.
Hot damn.
I'm out of both, so I'm just going to have to rely on my sense of...
They're both phenomenal.
Mm.
They're both different. And I...
That is a toughie. Which cousin do you take to the family reunion?
Well, hopefully the second or the third.
You don't want third arms?
You'd think. Both of them have a blouse full of goodies, you know what I'm saying? It's real whiskey, folks.
And it works.
Golly, this is a toughie.
I,
Jokes aside,
yeah, this is.
my outstanding sense of humor is just ill-placed in this round because I can't figure out a winner.
No, it's perfectly placed.
Just like the knob.
We're going to get that hashtag trending.
Okay, so they're different profiles, and it's literally which one I like right now.
I think I'm going to end up picking against my prior round just because.
Oh, God. I know which one you're picking then.
Nope. Hashtag not serious.
This is hard because I think I know which one's which. Who wants to go first?
God.
I don't know if I want to.
Nose goes. Well,
I guess I'm it.
God, Mike sucks at these games, thank goodness. All right, I know.
Nope, I'm going to go.
It's tearing his ass out.
No, I'm going right.
damn
Only
knob.
because I
Throw
think
his ass out.
That's a good one,
it's
too.
it's getting me right. It's
Right
I think
now.
it's the makers, and it for something right now, it's just
God,
it's hitting just right.
I wish we had more.
We don't have.
I love number one. I do. But right now, maybe this isn't fair. We've drank a lot in this. And
We are unbiased. We are professionals. Okay?
yeah,
I mean, ish. All right. I'm going to go right as well, Mike. I'm going
All
to
right.
bail you out. It may be against some of my prior beliefs, but I'm really
I don't
hoping
think it is. I don't
really
think it
hoping
is.
it's-
I really think it's the makers.
The old
I'm
waxy.
getting just a touch more of the wood
Yep.
on the
Like
left
that
glass.
time at Catholic Day Camp.
Yeah. Exactly.
Champion right here.
All right. So it's obviously the right glass is moving on, but which one were you going to pick?
It was the right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you know which one's which? Do you think you know?
Not
Based
even
on
close.
really
It was a lot closer than I...
that
These two are oddly similar. Like the proof, I think the proof carries
Yep.
more weight to the oakiness of the Knob Creek.
I thought that oakiness, in previous rounds, it stuck out like a sore thumb. These two together, it was very difficult
Yes.
to pull apart.
When the
And-
proof carries it, it's kind
Yeah.
of hits
it's
harder.
it's the stave
this
profile
was-
of that makers. I'm
Yeah.
telling you that
Well, as a Final Four matchup should be, so
Yeah,
let's
this
see.
is good.
this is a
So
bruiser.
good.
We're looking for
Orange.
The
orange.
Hold on. Yep, we're good.
Something orange.
Let's see.
It's
Up
It is
your
the
bucket,
makers.
Joe Boo.
It is the makers.
Mike, I know you're sad to see the knob jokes go.
You
But
know,
this round is kind of the pinnacle.
I mean,
we've
the
had
knob,
we've
the knob finally fell.
The knob has finally softened. in 3, 2, 1.
And we'll see you right here next time
Thin Blue
for
Whiskey.
the other side of the bracket. Final 4, Old Rip 10 versus Kentucky Owl.
Batch 11.
Right here. We'll see you. Bye.